Is this the best budget fixture table you can currently buy? Stay tuned and find out. What's up, YouTube? My name is Patrick. I'm an auto enthusiast and an amateur fabricator, and today I want to show you the DIY fixture table from Fireball Tool. For about the last year, I've been using a clutch table that I picked up at Northern Tool. It served me well, but it's not without its faults. My biggest complaint is the fixturing system. It's kind of a pain to use. I'd heard that the Fireball Tool fixturing system was great, so I decided to give it a shot. I decided to go with the 2 by 3 foot table that included the base and the legs, as well as a basic fixturing system. It cost me about $1,000 shipped to my door, and the lead time was about 4 weeks at time of purchase. The table arrives on a very nice pallet. It's pretty heavy for a small table, so make sure you opt for the liftgate service. Note that the top is hidden below the rest of the kit in a thin sheet of plywood. When mine arrived, I was afraid that the top was missing. Fireball Tool already has an excellent video regarding the build, so I won't go into too much detail on the build. Just note that you will need to be able to weld in order to put this table together. Instead of going with the supplied feet, I opted for some self-leveling casters that I found on Amazon. Just make sure that you match your nuts to the casters before welding the nuts to the feet. This allows me to move the table around effortlessly and provides a very stable base when the table is stationary. Once I had the table all welded up, I sent it off to a local powder coater. I plugged the ends of the rectangular tubes with some cheap plugs that I also found on Amazon. I think the table looks incredible. Shout out to Powder on Point. I've only just started to use the table. The table's sturdy and it's easy to move around. The top is dead flat and the shelf is very handy. But most importantly, the Fireball fixture system is amazing. I've only begun learning what I can do with it. The kit includes many of the more commonly used fence blocks and clamps, and everything fits very securely into the holes in the top. More importantly, everything is quick and easy to use. I can definitely see myself picking up some additional fixtures in the near future, such as the tooth block kit and maybe a few of the V blocks. I absolutely love the table so far. It's a huge improvement over my last one. Who knows, I might even build a second one in the future. Well, that's all I have for now. I plan to do a follow-up video sometime in the future. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Instead of using the supplied feet, I opted for some self-leveling casters. Just make sure that you match your nuts on your feet. Just make sure. Okay. This allows me to move the table around effortlessly. Jesus.